Hello everyone, I am Akshay Sharma and my friend Siddharth Pariyar. Today, me and my friend are here to talk about some social topic. Uh, Hope you like it. It is our first video. It is named as Chai Se Charcha.
In this our first video, we will like to discuss our conversation on two topics. First topic is of Sushant Singh Rajput and another is of Jairam and Phoenix.
My friend Siddharth told us that we are here to talk about some two social topic. First, I would like to ask Siddharth on Sushant Singh Rajput that what is your opinion on his death?
My point of view, Sushant Singh Rajput's case, which was happened on 15th or 16th of June, it was not a suicide from my point of view, not at all. It was really a murder. A man like Sushant Singh Rajput, he has a great career in Bollywood. He have done many films. Films like MS Dhoni is done by Sushant Singh Rajput, and many great movies were done by Sushant Singh Rajput. From my point of view, the man like Sushant Singh Rajput will never be able to commit suicide. This is the first point I will like to say, and the another is that Sushant Singh Rajput's case was a murder because the prints found on his neck were proving this thing that this was not a suicide, it was a murder. The prints were found here at this region. This is the region where prints were found on Sushant Singh Rajput. But if a person is, I will like to repeat it from but if a person is committing suicide from a hanging fan, then at that time the prints were found at this position, because the curtain which Sushant Singh Rajput used will be shifted upwards, but the prints were found on his neck were at this position. This is the main thing, and one more print was found. Please repeat it again. I'm saying, and the one more thing is found on his eyes, a punching mark on his eyes. If this case is given to CBI, I will definitely sure that this was not a suicide, it's a murder. So I will like to ask Akshay Sharma his point of view on this topic of Sushant Singh Rajput.
As my friend told us that it was an murder, it was not a suicide. We can understood that if a people have money, stardom, celebrity, respect, but if it don't have happiness, then it is not complete his own life. Means if people should be happy for living in life. The reason behind it is nepotism. As all people start to talk about nepotism, what is nepotism? We all know what is nepotism. But I don't blame the whole industry. Actually, we can blame some peoples, but we have to blame ourselves also, because who make them to do nepotism? We, the peoples of India, the peoples of our country, we help them to take this type of steps. For example, a movie Sonchariya was released of Sushant Singh Rajput movie. It is just collected around 5 crore rupees, and if we see the IMDb rating, it is just wonderful. But if we see the Street Dance, it is a worst movie, but it collected around 100 crore, and now you see the difference. And if you see the IMDb rating of this movie, it is, I think, below than 3 or 4. So now we can compare these. If your producer wants to movie, then he always wants profits. If he spend his money in Sonchariya, but he does not have any profit, but he produce street dance like movies, then he will really have so many profit, then who will blaming you? You should blaming us, because what we watch, all the money goes to the producers. We don't want appreciate the real talent. It is our fault. If we can say that 40% fault is of our industry, but 60% fault of ours. If we watch only real talents, only real movies, real stories, good stories means, then nothing will happen. Nothing will happen in the future like this. You should understand that the whole things which were done by the industries, by all these things, is just depend on the country's people or people's of the country.
So my next question is from you, Akshat. That what do you think about this thing which happened in Tamil Nadu of Jairam and Phoenix?
The case was happened in Tamil Nadu. It is just a shameless thing which was done by Indian police or the true police fans. We are not blaming all police fans, but it is a shameless thing. I want to give the answer in Hindi, bro. तो एक्चुअली दो फादर एंड सन ने अपनी शॉप को 15 मिनट्स के लिए ज़्यादा खोल दिया लॉकडाउन के अंदर, तो उनके साथ आप ऐसा व्यवहार नहीं कर सकते. सबके लिए कानून है. गवर्नमेंट ने हर तरह के कानून बना रखे हैं कि किस गलती के लिए आपको क्या सजा देनी है. तो पुलिस वाले अपने आप को क्या समझते हैं कि वही यहाँ के राजा हैं. वो एक जरिया है. उनका काम है आप कातिल को पकड़ो, उसको कोर्ट में ले जाओ, कोर्ट सजा देगा. आप कौन होते कौन हो? आप अपनी पर्सनल दुश्मनी किसी से भी अपनी पोजीशन से नहीं निकाल सकते. ये सबसे बड़ी गलत बात है. अगर ऐसा ही हुआ तो फिर कभी भी कोई भी पीपल पुलिस से बिलीव करेगा ही नहीं. ये सबसे बकवास चीज़ है. आज उसकी फैमिली पे क्या बीत रही है ये कोई नहीं समझ सकता. बहुत सारे लोग सिर्फ बोल सकते हैं, जैसे कि मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि हम सिर्फ उनके बारे में कुछ बोल सकते हैं, कुछ पॉइंट्स बता सकते हैं, बट उससे ये चीज़ जाहिर नहीं होती कि उनका जो दुख है वो कम हो रहा है. उनको चाहिए इंसाफ. गवर्नमेंट को, सुप्रीम कोर्ट, इनको ऐसा कुछ एक्शंस लेना चाहिए उनके ऊपर कि एक ऐसी मिसाल बने कि कभी भी फ्यूचर में कोई भी पुलिसमैन ऐसा काम करने से पहले 10 से 20 बार सोचे. उनको अपनी लिमिट्स पता होनी चाहिए कि उनकी लिमिट्स क्या है, तो वो लिमिट्स पे ही काम करें. सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात ये है. आप किसी को भी ऐसे, आप इंसान हो यार, आप कुछ जानवर नहीं हो कि आप किसी को भी ऐसे ट्रीट कर सकते हैं. आपके पास कोई राइट नहीं है. चाहे पुलिस हो चाहे आर्मी, आपके पास कुछ राइट नहीं है. वो टेररिस्ट नहीं है, वो एक इंसान है. उन्होंने कुछ गलत काम नहीं किया. इतना बुरा हाल तो किसी टेररिस्ट के साथ भी नहीं किया जाता. अब काम है कोर्ट का कि वो इस पर कुछ एक्शंस ले ताकि उसकी फैमिली को इंसाफ मिले. सिद्धार्थ, अब मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ कि व्हाट इज योर ओपिनियन ऑन दिस टॉपिक?
From my point of view on Jairam and Phoenix, it was really a shameful task which was done by a police. It was really a saddest things which I have ever heard, and this really breaks us a lot that what police is doing for our nation, that they are made us to protect ourselves, but they are doing really a wrong thing. These men who have done this thing now, example should have to be set on our Supreme Court, our laws, that if a person really do this type of thing anywhere, anytime in future this thing will happen, then a person who is doing this thing now, then they should have to think twice on this topic. From my point of view, then this type of example should be set by Supreme Court, and certain action will be taken on that people who have done this thing to them. Jairam and Phoenix, they really suffers a lot. It's really a painful thing for the family and themselves also. It's really a painful murder from my point of view. We will stop our discussion on this, from discussing on these two topics. So please tell us that how is our video, and it's really having a nice meeting with you, and this is the main thing what I said. So please be safe, take care. Okay.
It was wonderful meeting with you, Siddharth. I just really appreciate your opinions. So thank you guys. What is your opinion? Just write in comment box. We really want to know your opinions. Thank you very much. If you like this video, then please share it to your relative ones. Thank you.